Step 1 to removing the headliner. There's going to be this. It'll flop open. There's going to be a Torx head up there. I'm going to do both sides. I'm not going to go in any order on taking this headliner out, but here's how I'm doing it. The A-pillar trim, when it's attached, I just put my fingers in around here and give it a good yank. Didn't break a single clip, so you'll be fine. This doesn't have to come all the way off, because once you get this loose, it'll be able to wiggle out. But next thing, I still got to finish getting these off. And then I'm going to go over to the drivers, get that one off. Then that, I think that's called the C-pillar, that off. And also, I think there's some screws up in here.
This big bitch will fit.
Try and get the screws in there and there. See the silver ones?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's good.
Is the light on? There. Alright, well, get that in there, T20. And then get 1, 2. That's it. Yep, okay.
Hopefully. Should be good. Okay. 1, 2. That's all you need. Okay, I gotta pop this on. Cut it. Good.
You see that tall clip? There's like a tall clip.
Can you see the wire in the video?
Mm-hmm.